Assalamualaikum friends, I am your host Muhammad Omer and you are watching my YouTube channel Digital World Learning. In this video I am going to explain Adisence official presentation which is in English, and this video will also be in English, and you will not find any video regarding Adisence or Purpal which is in English language. So don't skip this video. I will try my best to explain what is Adisence and how we can earn from adisence.com. Actually, many people are also asking about English presentation because we don't have any English language video, because some of the friends who are living abroad out of Pakistan, they want to explain their friends out of Pakistan that what is Adisence, and that's why I am making this video for those people so they can also easily join our earning platform. So first of all, you will find the link of this presentation in description. First link is for the web view. When you will click on the first link, it will open like this, and second link is for downloading of the PDF presentation. That will be run only if your mobile supports PDF file, because that one is PDF file, and if your mobile have PDF application, then only it can be opened. Otherwise you can simply click on the first link and see this presentation. So let's start the presentation. What is Adisence? Adisence basically this is earning platform which is running in Pakistan since 2015, 5 years, and still this company is running, and many people are running their houses from this one only. They don't have any other source of income, and but they are running their houses with this Adisence.com. In this one I will tell you one thing: it is not necessary that you should have laptop or computer in your home. Only if you have mobile and internet connection, you can make your account and you can start earning. So first we will go through from this presentation, then I will explain you further regarding making an account in Adisence.com, and further how we can purchase the ad packs, and how we can invest in this one, and how we can take the withdrawal also. I will explain each and everything, so don't skip the video and keep on watching this one. So friends, you will not find any better platform from this one, because I am also working in this one since 2 years ago, and Alhamdulillah I am also earning good source of income from this one. So here is the links of Urdu presentation also. If you want to see this presentation in Urdu, you can click here, and if you want to watch the videos of Adisence.com in detail in Urdu language, you can click on this one. So you will directly go to my YouTube channel. In the playlist there is a playlist of Purpal and Adisence, and you can watch each and every detailed video of Adisence.com. So for the presentation I will not read each and everything, but I will only explain the key points, because these things are you can read by yourself. This one here you can see that the company establishment in the year of 2015, and there are 10,000 plus success stories, and about 2 lakh plus active users on this Adisence.com. Okay, so why we will choose Adisence.com? It is working since 2015. There are thousands of success stories. It has official address in Dubai also. Before we have Purpal office in Faisalabad also, but now it is moved to Dubai. If anybody want to visit Dubai office, you can easily go to Dubai office. So you can start earning from zero. Work hours of your choice. There is no working hours, because it will only take a few minutes to watch the ad, and you can earn your daily profit. Okay, so there are also multiple earning plans. Further, I will tell you regarding this one. So in the start you need to struggle a little, because if you will do the networking, you can uh, achieve more success. So it is not necessary to make referrals. You can earn without referrals also. So here are the business plans of adisence.com. There is a power pack, there is the ad power, and there is the referral system also. So if you will go downside, here is the ad power. So here is the important thing you want to know. Here it is written that you have to view ad within 24 hours. In one day you can view the ad at any time. So if you want to repurchase the ad power, it will enhance your earning and productivity. And this one ad power can boost up your earning from 124% to 184% of your applied ad power. This is the ratio of your 1 year 1.5 year plan, because if you will invest, or you can purchase the ad power, it will be for 1.5 years. So if you will purchase one ad power or 100 ad powers, it will be for 1.5 years. Here there is the power pack. Here it is also the same. There is a little difference in this. You can simply read this one, and the profit ratio of this power pack also will be the same. Here is the referral system. There are direct referrals also, indirect referrals also, progress plans. There are LLB also. There are different kinds of bonuses also. There are salaries also. Here you can see referral, you can earn up to 40% bonus from direct and indirect referrals till 40 levels. It is not 1, 2 or 3 levels. It is you can earn till 40 levels. So it is a huge investment plan, huge. You can earn bonuses from your referrals. So here is the progress plan. If you will see, we have some I think 6 ranks we have. If you want to achieve ranks, if you want to more success, then you should make your network, make your team, make referrals in your downline, and you will achieve these targets. On achieving the officer target, you will receive 10 points. It means 1000 rupees salary per month for 2 years, and you will receive a bonus of 15,000 rupees. It means $150 you will receive for achieving the officer rank. Same as if you will go up, you will see there are a lot of ranks and monthly bonuses, monthly salaries till 2 years, and there are achievement rewards also. So if we will talk about LLB bonus, here it is an weekly bonus from 1.25 points to 125 points according to your LLB rank. LLB rank basically depends on your sale, how much is your sale in your downline. According to that you will receive the LLB bonus. So how to join, I will show you how you can join your in adisence.com. Only you need your username, your original name which is on CNIC, and these things. So here is there is written my number also, my Pakistan WhatsApp number also. You can contact me on this one, and we can discuss this further, how we can create the account, and we can invest further. So here I have already opened this adisence.com. If you want to create the account, simply you need to know your sponsor number. If you want the sponsor number, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number, or any sponsor, but be careful on choosing the sponsor, because sponsor is not only for eating your commissions. It is his responsibility to to teach you and guide you everything regarding this one. If you have any problem in depositing or withdraw money from your account, it is his responsibility to guide you everything and help you in regarding this one. So you can easily find a good sponsor, or you can contact me also. I can give you my sponsor number. So once you enter the sponsor number, here you will write your username. Here you can write your full name. It is necessary to write your correct and legal full name, which is shown on your ID card. And your email also, it should be active, because you will receive on sign up this one, you will receive your email regarding verification of your email address. If you will not verify, you cannot log in to your adisence.com account. So password, you have to make a strong password with the special character, uppercase and lowercase alphabets. So after that you can simply click on I am not a robot and sign up. After that you will receive one email for verification of email. So by clicking the link on your email, you will successfully verify your email address, and then you can log into your account. Here is the interface of my account. You can see this is my third account, and after you can log into your account, simply go to edit profile, and here you have to write your details. Details mean the important things are, you have to write your date of birth, you have to write your CNIC, and then simply click on update. After updating, you can simply go to documents and you have to upload your CNIC. You will see your uploading option on your account, and simply like this you will see option on your account. Already my documents is CNIC is also approved. You can simply click on choose file, and it will ask you to open your CNIC, and you can simply upload here, and no need to upload any recent bill or utility bill document. It is not necessary to upload this one. Only you have to upload your CNIC and click on update. It will be verified within few hours. Okay, so after that you have to make sure about the security of your account. So you have to go to settings. Here you will go to change pin. By going to change pin, here you will create your pin. The main thing is that if you already created your account, you can contact to your sponsor, so he can guide you step by step, so you will not be confused anymore. I hope so you will like the video, and don't forget to like this video and share with your friends. So because this video you will find in English, because no other video in English presentation you will not on YouTube or some other platform. So it is better to share with your friends, so they can share with their friends who are living abroad, and they should also have ease to join this earning platform. So if you want to see the videos and for this perpaladisence.com or Nexalt also, you can visit my channel. Don't forget to subscribe my channel also. You will find the playlist of adisence.com and Nexalt.com also. There you will find all the videos regarding how we can invest, how we can make account. Every detailed video you will find in this one, but only this video is in English, and all others videos are will be in Urdu. If you want to have other videos also in English, you can simply write in the comment, or you can contact me in WhatsApp also, so I will make videos in English also for you specially. So friends, don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your friends, and links are in the description. You can easily find the download link also for this English presentation PDF file, and this article also.